we are getting a lot more done today than we did yesterday. This is on a slope, actually. I don't know if you can tell or not. And so is that behind over there. It drops. You can tell with the driveway it drops. And so does this. You can tell by the road. It's uphill. But nothing a turf tiger can't do. Or a walk behind. We're moving, guys. We're taking care of everything today. Hopefully we'll get everything, but heck of a lot better than yesterday. So stay tuned. I'll show you some more for sure as we're continuing to mow. But no more rain. I think they're calling for some tonight, but not at least for today. So hopefully it stays that way. And it looks like it will. You can tell it looks like beautiful sunshine. All right, guys, we're wrapping this one up. We're going to the next one. See you later. All right, real quick, guys, there's 3 houses in this one row, but one is like down the road up on the right. I might do a little recording when we get there, but I told the guys, you can see, to go ahead and start on that one, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on this one across the street, so that way we can just knock them out real quick and keep it moving. So just like I said, we got another one down the road. This one's real small. That one's not that big of a deal. It's a little bigger than this one across the street, but nothing major. So all right, stay tuned for more. Just wanted to show you real quick, since I don't think I've recorded any of these anytime before. So all right, bye. Where'd he miss the spot?
And I was walking behind you and I think you dropped your nut. So I was going to pick him up for you.
No, that's like you. It's like...
hold on. Show him close up right here. This is our Steve. Steve dropped these apparently.
Yeah. They come out of Steve's pants.
Steve's pants?
Yeah.
Steve?
Yeah. You want to hold on to your nuts?
He really didn't have much to say, did he? He was like,
That's just a daily load.
What? What'd you say?
I said, that's just a daily load. I got more to come.
Oh, I'm about to crash this truck.
Do you want me to hold on to your nuts or do you want me to throw them out?
Why would you want to hold on to his nuts?
Because he wants me to crash his ball.
Your nuts just went out the truck.
I'm cutting this off, guys. Later. Well, guys, this is how our day is ending up. Unbelievable. Rain, rain, rain. It just will not go away. We had one decent day today and we didn't even finish the day. It's 5:15 and around 5 o'clock, about 15 minutes ago, is when it really started. And this sucks. I mean, look at that. We still had about 9-10 yards to go, which I know we probably weren't going to get them all considering 5 o'clock, but we could have, without the rain, we could have gotten 3, 4, look at that airplane.
Is that a bird?
5 or 6 more easy. So we're going to have to work tomorrow, because we didn't work Thursday. We had half a day Friday and a little more than a half a day today. So we've had some days off. I mean, one day, and then we've had early days. Now, yesterday was a half a day. We cannot carry these yards into next week, because next week is a schedule of its own. It's a new week with a ton of yards waiting for us, and they're all gonna be overgrown because of all the rain we've been getting. So I told Steve to be in my house at 4:30. And when I get out of the house, I want a weed eater in his hand with lights on his hat.
You must be thinking I'm on some of that magic stuff.
Justin told him he needs him to hold 2 weed eaters tomorrow the whole day.
That's something else.
Alright, enough of jokes, but we're bummed out. We're bummed out, guys. It sucks. It sucks that it's a nasty day. It sucks that we have to do work on Sunday. I'm the last person that's got to finish, working on Sunday. But they understand, when they came on board, I have explained to them that Sundays are off days, but if we have any days during the week that we are, we have off, or half a days that we can't, do because of the weather, then we will use Sunday as a catch-up. And it doesn't happen often. I don't think it happened maybe but one time last year, but it happens sometimes. So it sucks.
Hopefully it won't be that long a day.
I don't think so. I don't think it'll be a full day. I hope not. It really depends on what time we start. Honestly, I'll leave it up to them. Whatever time they want to start is fine with me. If they start early, then we're going to have a shorter day. We're going to finish early. But if we start later, we want to sleep in, then we're just going to finish later. So we only got about 9 yards tomorrow. I think that's pretty reasonable for a solid day. And the weather-wise, it looks like it's pretty clear tomorrow. So, all right, I'm going to finish it up. Thanks for watching for this Saturday, and stay tuned for Sunday. I guess instead of my Sunday vlog, I might just be recording a little bit of what we do tomorrow. So say goodbye, guys.
Later, guys.
See you, everyone.